Hello and welcome back to Retro Rolling. I'm Matt Jordan and today's vlog is going to be all about our trip down to Donnington Park. I was invited there by Sham Lord Loxley to take part in this Gaston track event. After a spirited drive there with an early start, we made our way to Donnington. I'd never been to this track before. I've been to many more, but I really do like this track, as you'll see in the upcoming footage. Leading up to this event, it was unclear if it was going to take place due to amber and red severe weather warnings, and as you can see from this footage, the sky does look a bit red. It's a bit late in the year for the Mark 1 Escort, and I decided to take the Sierra 4x4, and she did like the drive down. The only thing is, she is running really cold. I was absolutely freezing on the drive down. I put the heater on full blast, whacked it up as high as it would go, and it barely warmed my feet. I suppose this is a good thing, just shows that the engine is running really nice and cool now after the disasters of one of the banks on the V6 head gasket going. But that all being fixed, she is an absolute champion and I do love that Sierra. We made it to Donnington and the weather didn't look too bad. We got set up on the club stand. And then I was off like a shot. The cars I could see surrounding where we'd parked up, I was like, this is gonna be a good day. So check out the footage of the day's event in this vlog of Gaston track, and I'll shut up now and play some music. But don't forget to like and subscribe so not to miss out on future uploads. is freezing. I'm trying to stop myself from shaking. It's pissing down. I am loving this. It's amazing. I'm just loving it. This guy's going. It is wet as an otter's pocket out there. this point, I was soaked to the bone and really needed a nice hot coffee and get in the dry. The weather was taking a turn for the worst. The wind was picking up quite badly, so I headed back to the car. Well, that's it for this video. If you've liked what you've seen, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe for future uploads. Thank you for watching, and I'll